Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I am going to review the Mamaearth Day and Night Repair Cream. So I have been using this cream from the past 2 weeks. You guys know Mamaearth is chemical free. It's all 100% natural. It doesn't have any harmful toxins. So first I'm going to talk about the Mamaearth Natural Radiance Day Cream. So this contains pomegranate oil, mulberry extract as well as moringa oil. It also has SPF 20. It moisturizes the skin and protects against harmful sun rays and pollution. This is suitable for all skin types including sensitive skin. I have been using this from past 2 weeks and I must say that I don't like it whenever I apply makeup. This is very hydrating and moisturizing, and whenever I apply this and wear makeup, I sweat a lot and I can see that my makeup looks good, but I feel that it's very heavy on my face. So whenever I don't wear makeup, whenever I'm at home or I'm just going like grocery shopping or something at daytime, I like using this. But with makeup, I think for oily skin this will feel definitely heavy. Even my brother loves using this. He has oily skin. He only uses this because it also has that SPF 20 in it, so he doesn't need to apply another layer of sunscreen. If you do makeup and if you have oily skin like me, this will definitely feel a little bit heavy. The day cream looks like this. It's very white in color. It feels a little bit heavy. I won't say this is not greasy. This feels a little bit heavy as it has SPF in it. So now I'm going to talk about the Mamaearth Overnight Repair Night Cream. So this night cream contains collagen, daisy flower and saffron. So coming to this, oh my god, I love using this cream. At night, if I'm wearing makeup, I wash it off. I clean my face, then I apply this, and it just brightens up my face like in just a second. Okay, it helps in brightening up your face. It helps in hydrating, moisturizing your face. My skin feels very soft after I apply this, and in the morning also I see a very good difference on my skin. My pores are not visible that much. I don't get that oil around my nose. This is suitable for every skin type, including oily skin, you guys. This is literally non-greasy and it blends quite well. It's very hydrating and it makes my skin super soft, which I really like. I absolutely love this one. I think more than the day cream, I like the night cream. And if you want, you can definitely give this a try. I really like it and I enjoy using this. So the price for both is $5.99 each for 50 ml products. So guys, that was the review. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you want to buy this product, you can check out my description box. I will mention the link. This is available at Amazon.in as well as Mamaearth.in, and I also have a coupon code for you, which is SOHINI20. You can use this at Mamaearth.in. So yeah, that was the review, and if anybody has already tried this, let me know how you feel about this in my comment section below. And yeah, hope to see you again on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Mwah. Bye guys.